Got right here another foldable machete by Gerber. I think they're called Double Down. So I bought two of them from Amazon and I had a little bit of a malfunction on them. So this one is from eBay. What was happening, this latchet right here was incredibly hard to open it or lock it. On this knife, it is actually very easy on Machete. So you just open it and there's four latchets for those people who haven't seen it. You just flip it over, boom. And as you can see why it's called Machete, also right here, easy to lock it in on this side and easy to unlock it. For some reason I got two machetes, double down machetes from Amazon. They would not latch it that easily. And this one is super easy. So maybe you should just return it and try to get a different one in case you have the same problem. I'll show you a clip of it not working that well. You see how there is a safety, so that way you don't lock in your fingers by mistake, so that way you re-grip and grab these four latchets on both sides and then lock it all the way in. And there's actually, to lock it, you don't want to put it all the way down, just like that. You got to press them all and then just flip it open all the way out. And then right here you got to squeeze it and push all the way in this one. This one is kind of tight. There you go. You see how it's locked up? Now it's gonna hold together. To open it, this particular one is really tight, so I kind of have to work through it. It's almost impossible to open it. I had to use something to get it unlatched. So I had to just hook into something and push it open. I would want to call it weirdest knife ever made, but this is a bit too big for the knife. And as you can see, it won't open. Even though the latchet is off, it won't open because you have quad lock. And you want to hold them all the way. Boom. And lock it right here all the way. This is nice. As you can see, you could be using it as a knife, a really big, like camping, survival, bushcrafting knife. And also if you grab it by the end over here, you'll have a machete. Just use this edge to chop through the wood. Pretty nice. I really like it. So yeah, Gerber double down machete. Oh wait. And again, look how easy that is. That's how it's supposed to be. Not how to unlock it. That's gonna be my thumbnail most likely. Whenever you close it, make sure this one all the way out. Nice. And lock it in. You actually have to push it back a little bit and lock it right here. And look how much smaller it is versus a big knife with the handle. Now it's hidden away into the handle, so it's compacts quite nicely. You could hang it onto your belt, backpack, whatever. Beautiful. This one is way better than the other two that I got on Amazon.